I'm not sure what you mean by connections and good and it has electrical. That may mean at the panel, but does that mean that we don't have a burned out transformer? Does it mean that the fuse hasn't burned out? There's a lot of little electrical things that could happen. How old is the unit as well? There's always a chance that you've reached the life of the unit itself, and 4 or 5 years is typically the tops that we typically get out of intelliChlors. So it could be any of those things. Something could have worn, something could have broke inside the unit itself as well. But I would be more suspect at looking at the transformer, the step-down transformer that would be in the panel or in the box, and make sure that your voltages coming out of there are proper. Because your salt system, the intelliChlor itself is a low voltage product, but it has a step-down transformer to step it down to 24 volts. That would be the first place to look.